Can you make a washing machine? Okay, challenge accepted. Let's get started. Okay guys, the washing machine is finally done and I'm going to be using this tiny tool to test it. So now let's drop it inside. Add a little soap. Now if I press this button, it should fill itself with water. And as you can see, it's actually getting filled with water. Okay, I think that's enough. Now this is the actual test. Yo, it's actually washing. Okay, moment of truth. Wait, it actually washed it. Yo. But we're not done. This side is the spinner. It helps to remove extra water so that it can dry faster. Look at the speed. It's actually shaking the whole machine. I'm just gonna leave it for 1 minute. And now it is way easier to dry. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching and please do also like and follow for more.